Elgato, speaking of gaming companies, somehow we missed this when we talked about all the new products they're launching. They're just booming right now, man. They love this whole streaming thing. You ever heard of it, this whole streaming thing?
No, not at all. It's all new to me.
They're loving it. And we missed this one product that they also announced alongside those sound panels and that light strip. How about a green screen mouse mat or mouse pad? This is the simplest, most genius product. Is it not? I'm sure this already existed. Like, there's probably some generic thing on Amazon or AliExpress, but just for them to officially do it and you can see how it plays out in the software. This lets you either showcase, play the video actually. It's the best, quickest demonstration. So you roll out the green mouse mat. Mouse and keyboard are on there. If you're a competitive gamer type, look at that. No mouse pad. You're just in the game.
Nice.
How slick is that? In the bottom corner, it gets rid of all the green, and then you have the overhead camera, which in this case is looking at either your controller or keyboard and mouse, or in this case, the guy's got a magic card, and it feels really immersive.
Yes.
Because it's right in the thing. Now, obviously for our purpose, it could be an unboxing video or something like that. I don't know how many unboxing videos streamers do, but you can just imagine all the uses for something like this for a top-down camera and giving it a little extra flair to it.
Yeah, it's a great idea.
Now, this one you seem happy about.
Yeah.
You're okay with it, but they're going to charge you money for it, Will. It's going to cost you $30, but it is extra large, 37 by 15.7 by 0.1 inches thick.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
Yeah. You know, I don't mind having a green mouse pad. It's not, like, aesthetically, it's not too bad.
For $30?
Sure.
You're happy about it?
Yeah.
All right, you just endorsed it.